What's up? It's your boy Money Making Squad with Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know it when you find it. Our deepest fears is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fears is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small doesn't serve the world. There's nothing enlightening about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. It is not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Don't ever let someone tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You got a dream. You got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something? Go get it. So what makes a great leader in the 21st century? I've met many, and they all stand out. They are the women and men who are preparing themselves not for the comfortable predictability of yesterday, but also for the reality of today and all of those unknown possibilities of tomorrow. Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshines and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place. And I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is going to hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Go get it. Money Making Squad with Perfect Touch Auto Glass. But on the other note, if you got some at your elbow, dry feet, crutch feet, eczema, get yourself some mother butter. Yeah, it's gooder than the mother butter.